MeghalayaPost.news.
Mla Nongpoh constituency uba Melbourne sim mendagasngi hakasim balai Haka Dorbar Synrai hayang Dorbar Thawan ke Jylla ulawan ra ikibabon kimat markipang nagabenda ban Kyntiew Iaki Kam Jngohkai Pyrthei hak Jylla Kumbala Aila do Deputy Speaker Timothy di Shira hak Jingyatai Lingkot hak ni Dorbar Synrai mendagasngi uba Melbourne sim ulapan pau bag jingtimu ban Kyntiew Iaki Kam Jngohkai Pyrthei kathong kabah khmat kalong ban aikam aijam Iaki kon samla ke Jylla nalor kata ulapan pau Shibun kilat kelinti bag sarkar ke hapan simkhia namar ladala ban Kyntiew Iaki Kam Jngohkai Pyrthei kani kan yarap omtang ban aikam aijam Iaki pajba ke Jylla bat ka Kam Jngohkai Pyrthei ru kan Kyntiew ya ka khajna ka sarkar ba kumju ru ya ka yok kakot.
I stand here on behalf of all the stakeholders who have actively involved in the tourism sector within the state, be it the small shop owner, be it a taxi driver, be it a tourist taxi driver, homestay owner, hotel owner, tourist guide, tourist operator, etc. Yesterday also we had an exhaustive discussion about unemployment, where directly, indirectly it has a link with tourism sector. This is one of the sector in which there is a huge potential. Many of our beautiful hills, valley, the plain that we have within a state, it has a huge potential for tourism, in which to a certain percentage it can cater to generate employment for the people of our state. As we know within our state, be it from Khasi Hill or Garo Hills or Giant Hills, as I have said in my opening remark, we have many beautiful places in which we can compete at par with other states so that we can boost our economy within a state. Tourism holds a great position in contributing to the economy, to the overall economy of the people of Meghalaya. It plays an active role in the state economic development, making it a key area of interest for policymakers. And the number suggests that the increase in the footfall of tourism, of the tourists, it is very impressive within a state. With the boost of tourism in the state, the youth have better opportunity for employment, not only for youth, for all ages. Opportunity in many fields, tour operator, guides, hotel employee, transportation, driver, shopkeepers, all this, they will be benefited out of it. When we talk about the stakeholder, it is important that we remember about the small shop owners, petty shop owners who sell small item in respective tourist spot or even in the highways also, where more lay-by market has to be sanctioned, be it tourism department or horticulture department or even from any line department. Lay-by market on the highway, on National Highway 40, right from Jorbat up to Shillong or toward Dauki or toward Sora or toward Giant Hills or even in Garo Hills. Lay-by market for those shopkeepers, and also in different tourist destinations that we have a proper shop which will attract even the tourists also has to be provided for those small shopkeepers. More facilities and close coordination with the tour operator that we have, different associations in our state who connect, who bridge the gap between the tourists and different stakeholders in our state. Sir, more intervention need to be done Because directly, indirectly, tourism sector, it has a connection where we should have a better road facilities to all tourist spot, to all tourist destination within the state, because tourists, they will reluctant to go if the condition of the road is bad. Better airport facility, the Shillong airport at Umroi, it has to be looked into where big aircraft can land, and it will facilitate more tourist flow within the state.
MeghalayaPost.news